prison authorities regarding their dietary needs. And I'm told that apparently that has been resolved.
All right.
Yesterday, when we adjourned, the state contacted the court manager at Boksburg Magistrate Court, and we have managed to secure the sound recording of the proceedings in the lower court.
Of the 27th.
Yes, 27th up to the 5th of March 2021, when the matter was transferred to the High Court.
Okay.
Yes. So there were 3 appearances in the lower court: the 27th of October, 27th of November, as well as the 5th of November. And the audio recording of those proceedings is available. However, we could not secure the transcripts for that period, my lord. The transcripts will be ready on Monday. The local court manager here, my lord, has been furnished with the USB of these proceedings, and she has assured us that the transcripts will be available on Monday.
Meaning the transcripts of the audio recording?
Yes, yes. In discussion with my learned friends, we are proposing that perhaps today we listen to the audio recording, which is ready to be flattened on the screen, and then perhaps adjourn until Monday to get the transcripts, subject to the court approval.
Is it the agreement?
That's my agreement.
By all the councils?
Yes, there's only one thing that I did not get word from my colleague, that we were going to request an adjournment so that we listen to it, not in the presence of the court.
Not in the presence of this court?
Yes. Because this
What was the agreement then?
Because that is evidence that still needs to be disclosed to us. We need to listen to it first, then we discuss around it, then determine whether it's relevant or not.
You said it's the base or the centrality of your argument. That's what you said to me yesterday. The centrality of my cross-examination is centered on the proceedings which happened on the 27/10.
That is so, my lord, but the court should also note that it should first be made available to me as a person who requested it before it can be made available to the court. It's like a disclosure. It cannot simultaneously be disclosed to court and I then be said, Mr. Music, this is what we're disclosing, but we're disclosing it in court. It needs to be disclosed to me first. I listen to it, then from there I then map my way forward around it.
So you don't want to listen.
We agreed
you don't want to listen to it. Which is which? Do you want to listen to it?
Yes.
And that is the evidence. A recorder of, as you say, with the UBS system, right?
Yes.
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 That is a recorder of the evidence which was deposed to by oaths concerning any person who spoke in court that day. As I understand, a recorder. Is that not its say?
I'm not against that, my lord. But what I'm saying is, in terms of a procedure.
Which procedure is it?
In terms of that is disclosure.
It's not a disclosure. That's why the other day I asked you about whether those proceedings were not set aside or not by the order which was made by the judge when he nullified the proceedings before my colleague Maumela. And your response, all of you, is that those proceedings are lawful, meaning proceedings in the High Court. Is that not what you were arguing? Even Mr. Baloyi said that. Now I am told what happens in court is a disclosure. I'm overruling you. Let's play that tape, please. Because in my view, that is the oral evidence which was delivered in court. Whether somebody was coughing or not, that if it is recorded, this court must be able to hear it. But you can't say to me, you want to listen to it first and then decide whether the court must listen to it or not. Unless you are saying now, those are not proceedings in court, fine. That changes the picture. So what's your response, Mr. Minister?
Well, the court has already made a ruling.
Yeah,
that
fine.
I am overruled.
Yeah,
There's
fine.
nothing that I can say.
Okay,
beyond that.
let's listen to that recording. Who's going to operate the mechanism? It's Mrs.
Thank you. So case number 2 is Mr. Bongani, son Mr. Ntanzi. Case number 3, Mr. Machobisi Prince Mube. Over. Case number 4 is Mr. Mtoko Sizeni, Ziko Zonke Mapisa. Case number 3. Case number 8-1258/2020. State versus Precious, Mr. Ukulele Stella Sevilla, Case number 2-1-9, Sanderson County. Case number 3, Chris Mungwe. Case number 4, Mr. Thomas Daly. Case number 5, Mr. Sakakita Sikiso today is the 7th October 2020 in Oxford. The appearances are as follows. Sorry, officers is State.
Unfortunately, they don't have the choice as to who will represent you or as to accept the securities supply. You cannot force someone out of the case in the circumstances that is not something that the court will represent. You might have the seriousness of the charges against you, but that means you're right. You can speak for yourself. You can speak for yourself. number one, Mr. Sidia, do you understand this? Right. This says to the computer that all the accused are standing outside of the accused government refuses to enter the accused government or refuses to the court. That does not matter. It does not matter where exactly you stand. You are here in the court setbacks and you also have to bring our master person over the court and will use it wherever you stand. It is your choice. The court can only explain your rights, how and if you exercise those rights, it's completely up to you. Do you wish to respond to the court's explanation? Thank you.
public rights to know. However, should you not exercise discretion granting application, just because the condition inherent, namely that the cases of the court personnel safety in the second space.
Let's continue. I think the magistrate is.
But
Taking
you're playing the one
right.
of the 27th of October,
Yes.
and even the one of the other postponements.
Yes.
Was that the agreement yesterday? Was that the agreement yesterday?
Yes, the entire proceedings, we received the request after the court adjourned that we should get the recording of the entire proceedings from beginning to end.
Oh, I see. And you did not listen to this yesterday?
No, we just received it this morning just before the court started.
Okay, fine.
As they were now objection from any knowledge of the application made by applicant number 1 to the court with regards to the recording children and also proceedings on condition that as the leader brings more custodians of any court personnel may be published in a court. The court personnel have to do the court itself. Providing officer any of the state of the taking a hearing on behalf of the police number 2, including the part of the court and the institution. So any footage or stories of those persons are strictly prohibited. Other than that, you may proceed with recording and filming of the court proceedings. Further aspect, I know there may be further on the assumption that you will not interfere with the recording proceedings.
If you then move to the next phase, which will deal with the postponement of the matter, but before that, we request permission to briefly address the court in terms of section 150 to put certain information on record to assist the court to be informed of the second Cambridge. The state has drafted list of witnesses present in attached to the article will follow later. And the court process is explained in section 144. a letter has been sent to the senior prosecutor signaling the intention to charge the accused with the offences as set out in the instruction, and I beg leave to end up that instruction. It's already attached to the charge sheet. I also beg leave to attach the provisional indictment to the charge sheet. Briefly, Your Worship, as the court has already indicated, the charges that the accused are facing are firstly murder, right, with the provisions of the minimum sentence legislation. Second count is attempted murder. Third count is robbery with aggravating circumstances, right, with minimum sentence legislation. Fourth count is possession of firearm. And the last count, count 5, is possession of ammunition. Particulars of the accused have already been put on record. As far as complaint is concerned, the state will aware that on the 26th of October 2014, at first arrest in the Sports District, the accused killed Mr. Senzo Reverend Mariwa. He's attempted to kill his place. He was in a love relationship with an equally famed artist, Mrs. Kelly Kumalo, and they had a child born out of that relationship. That on the evening of the 26th of October 2014, Mr. Senzo Mariwa had visited Ms. Kelly Kumalo at her mother's house in Kosovares. That there were several other persons in the said house, namely Ms. Kumalo, who is the owner of the house, Mrs. Zandile Lorraine Kumalo, she is the sister to Kelly Kumalo, Mr. Longe Twala, Mr. Timero Madala, partial to medical, that is manual potential mass in the chest, whilst in the same position and left when through the body. When his chest and his body are fascinated at the head, Your Worship, the state will bear that in light of the circumstances, the matter results under Schedule 6, and that in terms of Section 611, that the accused must be kept in custody until they show that exceptional circumstances exist for their being released. The state will then request that the matter be postponed to the stage for the service of the documents as mentioned in Section 144, the final indictment. I don't know whether the court allocate a date
Before we get to that, exceptional circumstances as to why the achievement of justice is
activity number 1, 3, 4, 5, and also in the all of it,
all by putting witnesses to testify on behalf These are activities number one. You wish to bring another application?
I'm especially before I proceed to the question of the what God granted in children, but like when I'm saying here, before God granted you was the one.
Alright, I'm not going to allow you at this stage to item to proceed. As certain processes that needs to be followed. We'll explain to you first in your right with regard to your presentation. There's one you can answer. The court now wishes to inquire from you whether you intend to fail application. Do you wish to answer this question?
I'm here to see that it's not
You have to with your plan to be in the
Now, Your Worship, only can you explain to me as to what is the reason that I am asking? Because in this matter, various people will worship other people who worship the dead when we are coming, and then now they are not people asking worship the point where you are the one to do this. How much should I think about the man?
Charges as well as the summary of the effects on which the state is going to rely.